guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Misha. So for this Valentine's Day, I decided to create this really colorful, fun and glittery eye look. So usually we use colors like reds and pinks for Valentine's makeup looks, but this time I wanted to go with something different and I was in a mood for that really colorful and fun look. So yes, I hope you guys will like it. So I'm starting off with this yellow shade from the Revolution Pro Mischief Mattes palette, and I'm going to be applying it on my crease line, on the very inner part of my crease line. And I'm using a small pencil brush, and then just below that I'm going to go in with this light green shade from the same palette. Then I'm using this orange shade just next to both the shades. And these shades blend out really well, these eyeshadows. You don't have to use brushes to really blend them. You can just do that with your finger and they blend really well into your eyes. So yeah, that's the reason I don't have to put in too much effort. So I really love this palette actually. So next I'm using this red shade next to the orange shade, and again using my fingers I'm going to blend out the harsh lines. So for my lower lash line I'm going to go in with this pink shade called Underdog from the same palette, and I'm using it at the very outer part of my lower lash line, and I'm connecting it with the red and trying to create a blend with the pink and the red. Then on the inner corner I'm going to go in with this beautiful teal green shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I really love this shade. It gives such a beautiful effect. And after that I'm going to be applying it a little bit on the inner part of my lower lash line as well. And my lower lash line I'm going to go in with glitters. So before that I want to apply these shimmery shades. So just next to the teal green I'm going to go in with the dark blue shade, again from the same palette. And after the dark blue shade I'm going to be applying a purple shimmery shade between the pink and the blue. And now I'm going to go in with glitters. So first I'm applying a teal green glitter on the area where I had applied the teal shade, then the blue on top of the blue shade, then purple glitter on top of the purple shade. And there's so much fallout at this part, but I wanted the glitters to be really dispersed, and you know, I didn't clean up my whole under eye area. You can see a few glitters on under eye area, but I did not clean much because I wanted it to have that kind of dispersed and you know, that really fun kind of a look. I wanted those glitters to be spread like that around my eye because that's the kind of look that I really wanted to go in for. So yes, I'm using mascara on my upper as well as lower lashes, and for eyeliner I'm using my NYB Ellis Eyeliner liquid liner, and I'm going to create a really thin line on my upper lash line. And then off camera I highlighted my brow bone with a light silvery shade, and I also applied a white eye pencil to my lower waterline, and I also went in with my Hillary Rhoda lashes in style 25. So yes guys, that's the end of the look, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts. And I know that such colorful eye looks are not for everyone. A lot of people out there may love wearable simple eye looks. So if that's the case, then I have also uploaded many wearable eye looks on my channel, so you can definitely check them out. I shall leave the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day if you're celebrating it, and even if not, I hope you have an amazing day. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.